Click on the link below to get price. The Carburetor Carb Replacement for the Westinghouse WGen7500 Generator is an essential upgrade for anyone relying on this generator for backup power. As a replacement part designed specifically for models producing between 7500 to 9000 watts, it ensures compatibility and optimal performance. Installation is straightforward for anyone with basic mechanical skills. The kit includes all necessary components, making it easy to replace the old carburetor and restore your generator to peak efficiency. Before installation, I recommend reviewing the generator's manual to familiarize yourself with the layout and to ensure a smooth process. Once installed, the difference in performance was noticeable. The generator started up more easily, and I experienced improved fuel efficiency compared to the previous carburetor. This is particularly important during extended power outages, as it maximizes runtime and minimizes fuel costs. The engine ran smoother with fewer hiccups, allowing me to power essential appliances without worry. One standout feature of this replacement carburetor is its durability. Constructed from high-quality materials, it feels robust and resilient. After several uses, there were no signs of wear or corrosion, which is a common issue with lower-quality parts. This durability translates to long-term savings, as it reduces the need for frequent replacements. Additionally, the performance of the generator has been notably consistent. I have used it for various tasks, from running power tools to providing electricity during storms, and it has not let me down. In summary, the Carburetor Carb Replacement for the Westinghouse WGen7500 Generator is an excellent investment for any owner looking to enhance their generator's performance. It combines ease of installation, reliability, and improved efficiency, making it a worthwhile upgrade. If you're experiencing issues with your current carburetor or simply want to ensure your generator operates optimally, this replacement part is highly recommended.